2nd. Okay children, welcome back to today's live session of grade 2nd. Okay, in today's class we are going to continue with the same topic, that is adverb. Okay, we will be continuing with the topic adverbs. Okay children, so what is our today's topic children? What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is adverbs. Okay, our today's topic is adverbs. Okay, so what do you mean by adverbs children? You have learnt in the previous class. What do you mean by adverbs? Yes, adverbs are the words which adds more meaning to the verb. Okay children, these adverb itself has the meaning that it is adding more meaning to the verbs. Okay, it is adding more meaning to the itself. The word is only having the meaning children. See, it is adding more meaning to the verbs. So it is adverbs. Okay, adverbs are the words which adds more meaning to the verbs. Okay, what do you mean by verb children? Verb, V-E-R-B, verb. You have learnt in the previous class. Verb means action words. Jumping, running, sleeping, cooking, writing. Okay. So, these adverbs are adding more meaning to the verbs. Action words. Okay. They are adding more meaning. And these adverbs answers the questions. Okay, these adverbs are answering the questions how, when. Okay, these adverbs are answering to the questions when, how, where something is done. Okay, these adverbs are answering to the questions. Which type of questions? When something is done, where something is done. Okay, how something is being done. Okay, these adverbs are adding more meaning to the verbs. They also answers the questions for how something is done, where something is done, when something is done. Okay, these adverbs are answering to the questions how, when and where something is done. Okay children, for example, the dog is barking loudly. Okay, the dog, look at the sentence children, what it says. Look at the sentence, what it says children. The dog is barking loudly. Okay, the dog is barking loudly. How is the dog is barking? So the question is arises here, how is the dog is barking? So loudly, the dog is barking loudly. So loudly is here adverb. Okay children, here loudly is adverb and barking is verb, means action word. Barking means boguludu. Okay, so barking shows some action here, and loudly is adding more meaning to the barking. Okay children, here loudly is adding more meaning to the word barking. So here loudly is the adverb which is adding more meaning to the verb. So verb is here barking, and this loudly is giving the answer for the question how the dog is barking. Okay, how the dog is barking? The dog is barking loudly. So loudly is here adverb. Okay children, loudly is here adverb, and it shows, it adds more meaning to the verb. So the question is here, it gives, loudly gives the answer for the question how the dog is barking. Okay, how the dog is barking? The dog is barking loudly. Okay children, then next look at the second sentence children. Look at the second It says the sun is shining brightly. Okay. The sun, pay attention on the pronunciation, how I am pronouncing, okay, how I am reading. The sun is shining brightly. Okay, so which is the adverb here? Brightly. Brightly is the adverb. Okay, children, brightly is the adverb and it adds more meaning to the verb. So verb is here shining. Okay, shining is shows some action is going on there. Okay, shining is here action verb. So here brightly is adding more meaning to the verb. Verb is here shining. So which is the adverb here? Brightly. Okay. So the brightly gives the answers for the question how the sun is shining. How the sun is shining, children? The sun is shining brightly. So brightly is here adverb which gives the answer for the question how. How the sun is shining. The sun is shining brightly. So brightly is here adverb which add more meaning to the verb shining. Okay. Look at the third one, children. What it says. Look at the third sentence, children. What it says. Anu is running fast. Okay. Anu is running fast. So here, which is the adverb, children? Fast. Okay. So here, fast is the adverb. And which is the action word, children? Running. Running is the verb. Verb is action word. Okay. So here, fast is a adverb which adds more meaning to the verb. Okay. Adverb is adding more meaning to the verb. So here fast is adverb. Okay. Fast is adverb. So fast is gives the answers for how the action takes place. How Anu is running. How is Anu running? Anu is running very fast. Answer is here very fast. And question fast is the adverb which gives the answers for the question how is Anu running? Okay, how is Anu running? Anu is running fast. Anu is running fast. So here running is verb, fast is adverb. Okay, adverb is adding more meaning to the verb. Okay, children, here loudly and shine, loudly, brightly, fast are the adverbs. They are adding more meaning to the verb. Barking, brightly, running are the verb. Action verb. Okay. So loudly is adding more meaning to the verb barking. Brightly is adding more meaning to the verb shining. And fast is adding more meaning to the verb running. Okay, children. So these words brightly, loudly, fast and shining gives the answer for the question how something is being done. Okay. Loudly, brightly and fast gives the answer for the question how something is being done. Okay, how something is being done. So these words are called how adverbs. of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. Now for your second grade, you can call it as a how adverb. Because why we call it how adverbs, children? Because they gives the answer for the question how something is being done. Here, how the dog is barking. The dog is barking loudly. Here, how the sun is shining. The sun is shining brightly. Here, how is Anu running? Anu is running very fast. So here, these adverbs shows how the action is being done. Okay, children, have you got it? Adverbs are the words which adds more meaning to the verbs. Okay, children, let us see some more examples for where the action takes place, where the action is done. Okay, these are the example for how the action is being done. Now let us see some examples for where the action is being done. Okay, loudly, brightly, fast. These words are giving the answer for how something is being done. Okay. Now let us see some more example for where the action is being done. Okay, children. So here we have the example Manoj is sitting here. Okay, Manoj is sitting here. The second one is Kapil is standing there. Okay, Kapil is standing there. Okay, third one, the aeroplane is standing above. The aeroplane is flying above. Okay, children, look at the first one, children. Look at the first sentence. What it says, children? Manoj is sitting here. Okay, Manoj is sitting here. Okay, which is the adverb here, children? Which is the adverb here? Here. Okay, here is the adverb which is adding more meaning to the verb. Which is the verb, children, here? Sitting. Sitting is verb which shows action word. Okay, which is showing the action. Sitting is one type of action. Okay, so sitting is here verb and here is adverb. Okay, here is adverb. So adverb is here adding more meaning to the verb sitting. Okay, so here is the word which gives the answer for where something is being done. Okay, where is Manoj sitting? Where is Manoj sitting? Manoj is sitting here. So here is the word, here is the adverb which gives the answer for the question where. Okay, here is the adverb which gives the answer for the question where something is being done. Okay, so where is Manoj sitting? Manoj is sitting here. So here is the adverb which is adding more meaning to the verb sitting. Sitting is verb, action word. Adverb is here. Here is showing where the action is being done. Okay, where is Manoj sitting? Manoj is sitting here. So here is your adverb which is adding more meaning to the verb. Okay, then look at the second one, children. What it says? Kapil is standing there. Kapil is standing there. So here, which is the adverb? There. Okay. Okay, children, Kapil is standing there. So there is here showing, adding more meaning to the verb standing. Okay, so standing is here. Standing is here. Verb. Standing is showing action. Okay, standing is showing some type of action. Okay, children. So here there is the adverb. Here, there. Okay, here, there. There is the adverb which adds more meaning to the verb standing. Okay. So and there. Where is Kapil standing? There is giving the answer for the question where is Ravi standing? Where is Ravi standing? Ravi is standing there. So there is your adverb which gives the answer for the question where. Okay. Then look at the third one. The aeroplane is flying above. Okay. The aeroplane is flying above. So here above is the adverb. Above is here adverb which adds more meaning to the verb flying. Flying is here verb. Action word. Okay, action is going there. Flying. Aeroplane is flying above. So above is here adverb. Above is giving the answer for the question where is the aeroplane flying? Where is the aeroplane is flying? Aeroplane is flying above. So above is here adverb. Flying is verb. Okay, children. So here the words here, there, above. Answers are the adverbs. Which gives the answers for the question here, there, above are the adverbs which gives the answer for the question where something is done. Okay, where something is being done. children. So these words are called where adverbs. Okay. These words are called where adverbs. Means adverbs of time. Okay, they are called adverbs of time. Now you can say where adverb. Okay, so these words are giving the answer for the question where the action takes place, where the action is being done. Okay children, so the words here, there, above are the adverbs which answers the question for where something is being done. So these are called where adverbs. Okay, now let us see some more example for when the action is being done. Okay, when the action. When means yavaga. So what are the meaning of adverbs, children? Adverbs adds more meaning to the verb. So here first example is the baby is sleeping now. The baby is sleeping The baby is sleeping now. I got 3 letters yesterday. Second one is I got 3 letters yesterday. Third one is we will do this lesson tomorrow. We will do this lesson tomorrow. Children, we will do this lesson tomorrow. So here, the baby is sleeping now. Look at the first sentence, children. It says, the baby is sleeping now. So which is the adverb here, children? Which is the adverb? The adverb is here. Now. Okay? Now is here adverb, which is adding more meaning to the verb sleeping. Okay? The baby is sleeping now. Okay? So now is here adverb, which is adding more meaning to the verb sleeping. Okay? Sleeping is here verb, action word, sleeping. And now is here adverb. Adverb is adding more meaning to the verb sleeping. And it also gives the answer for when. When is baby sleeping? When is the baby sleeping? The baby is sleeping now. Okay? So now adverb gives the answer for the question when is the baby sleeping. Okay, when is the baby sleeping? The baby is sleeping now. So now is here adverb, which is adding more meaning to the verb sleeping. Okay. Now look at the second one, children. I got 3 letters yesterday. I got 3 letters yesterday. So here, which is the adverb, children? Yesterday. Yesterday is the adverb. Yesterday is adding more meaning to the verb got. Okay. I got 3 letters yesterday. Here, yesterday word tells us when the action is being done. Okay, here yesterday shows when the action is being done. Okay, when you got 3 letters. When have you got 3 letters? Okay, I got letters yesterday. So yesterday is giving the answer for the question when. Okay, when you got 3 letters. I got 3 letters yesterday. So yesterday. Okay, children, look at the third one. Here we have, we will do this lesson tomorrow. So which word is here adverb, children? The word tomorrow is here adverb, which is adding more meaning to the verb do. Okay, children, so tomorrow is here adverb, which adds more meaning to the verb do. We will do this lesson tomorrow. So tomorrow is here adverb, which adds more meaning to the verb do. Okay, children, tomorrow is adverb, which gives the answer for the question when. Okay, when will you do this lesson? We will do this lesson tomorrow. So tomorrow is giving the answer for the question when will you do this lesson. When. Okay, it is giving the answer for the question when. Okay, children, so these words now, yesterday, tomorrow gives the answer for the question when something is being done. Okay, children, these words now, yesterday, tomorrow gives the answer for the question when something is done. Okay, so these words are called when adverbs. These words are called when adverbs. What do we call them, children? When adverbs. Okay, so what is the meaning of adverbs? Adverbs are adding more meaning to the verbs. They also gives the answer for the question when something is done, where something is done, and how something is done. Okay, so the adverbs are giving the answer for how, when, where something is being done. Okay, children, have you got it? So what is the meaning of adverbs? Adverbs are the words which adds more meaning to the verb. They also gives the answer for where, when, how something is being done. Okay, children, have you got it? So now it is time to take down your homework. Everyone, take down your homework in the notebook. So your today's homework is you have to write whatever I have written on the board, that is same as classwork. Two times you should write in the notebook. Okay, children? So this is your homework, today's homework. Hope you all have got today's topic about adverbs. Okay, children? Now it is time to say bye-bye to you. Let us meet in the next session with the new topic. Till then, have a good day. Bye-bye.